Hi, I'm Adam Taven, co-founder of Rabbit Product Design. Let me tell you exactly how we're different from every other design firm out there. Most companies start with a prototype. Then, after you've spent thousands, they send you to an attorney to check for patent issues. If there's infringement, you start all over again. Total waste of time and money. At Rabbit, we flip the process. Step 1. Avoid legal pitfalls. If you haven't done a professional patent search or maybe tried to do it yourself, that's where we start. We want to reduce the chance of any future legal troubles. From there, we work backwards. We map out your go-to-market strategy, how you'll sell. Then we build your brand, because in most cases, your brand is more valuable than a patent. After that, we plan the smartest way to manufacture at the lowest cost. Only then do we design and prototype, knowing from day one your product can be built, sold, and scaled profitably. Here's the reality. Get this wrong, and you'll waste months or even years starting over. Get it right the first time, and you will spend less money, get to market faster, and have a more profitable product.